my own. I think I'll give you some. Yeah. It's so much.
Hey guys, welcome Akwaba. Today I'm going to show you how to make this dish. This is a local dish from Ghana. It is called Bayer3 Ampesi Nkate3 Abomu. It is super healthy, very easy to make and very quick to make. All you need are these ingredients: some tomatoes, pepper and onions, some palm oil, some salt, some peanut butter, also known as granite paste here in Ghana, some salmon. You can use any fish of your choice, but I prefer salmon. Some avocado, also known as paya here in our local dialect, and a tuber of yam. By rate any boy then 7 cities. Alright, and also your sankani tapoli, yes, the earthenware bowl. I have added the prices to it so you have a fair idea how much the whole dish is gonna cost. So I'm gonna start off by peeling the yam. Yes, make sure you peel it very well. Don't cut too deep. You're gonna lose a lot of the yam if you do that. Yeah, Byron Koso please subscribe to the channel. Yes, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a video. To speed up the cooking process, I would advise you slice your yam into equal but sizable portions and your food should be ready in no time. This dish is so quick to make that it should be ready in less than 15 minutes. Latest by 10 minutes, this food should be ready. Wash the yam very well, thoroughly, and transfer into the saucepan for cooking. Add your water, not too much, and yeah. I forgot the secret ingredients, which is the egg. So I added 2 eggs, some salt, and cover the saucepan. I'm gonna start off the sauce by chopping some onions. Transfer the chopped onions into the almighty asanka and add your pepper. Hey, that's a lot of pepper. I love pepper, so you guys don't judge me. And add some salt to taste. Grind with the tapoli. This needs a lot of manpower, a lot of determination, a lot of ancestral strength to grind this. Now, if you go at this the right way, this is how it should look. And then you add your tomatoes. You can just slice your tomatoes to make the grinding process very easy. Yeah. You guys go subscribe to my channel. Yeah, go subscribe to my channel. Show me some love, support. And back to the grinding. So like I said, you need the strength of the ancestors, the gods, to pull this through. Now if you're done, it should look something like this. Then you add your peanut butter. I mean your granite paste. Why? And your granite paste. Gently grind the paste into the sauce. The sauce is gonna start looking like this, yes, which means you're doing a great job. Pour your palm oil into a pan on a medium heat. Alright, so once the oil is hot, put in your onions and stir. Add your salmon and fry. Now for the grand finale, once the fish is ready, you're going to pour it onto the sauce. And if you hear salted chia, that's when you know it's ready. So mix it well, and the yam should be ready by now. So time to set the food. Once in a Bayer no be editing young queen, shortest in front. Nya grown a bedi. Because she answer na a position or honor. Avocados need try 7 share honor. Time to eat. Alright guys, so the food is ready and I can't wait to eat. This is looking amazing. Oh my god. Guys, this is amazing. This is really amazing. I'm not actually even eating and talking, but if you don't know the English name for this, I'm gonna tell you today. What made me like to know? Hi. With meal. So this is called avocado. For those who don't know, those who have been calling it pear. Please, this is not pear. This is called avocado. This is called avocado. And this right here is called pear. This is in the same family as apples. So yeah, mango can't show you say pear. Pear, not you are expecting this. This is not pear. This is avocado. This is avocado. Why are you staring at me? The light is back on. I keep looking here because my dog is here staring at me. Oh, I'm on my own. I think I'll give you some. Yeah. It's so much dinner. Good boy. Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Rocky. 1 coming out you. Hi. Then I'll touch one with the 10 one. But that's a bread. Let me show you. How does it taste? Rate it. I'm going to Jimmy and so. I'm going to Jimmy and so. I didn't take water. I didn't take water. Like I'm going to get water in the car. I'll be right back. This can be done on a budget. It didn't cost me more than 25 cities. Trust me. Bringing this whole food together, it didn't cost me more than 25 cities. Trust me. And I have enough left. So wherever you are, you can come by, come and have yours. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of the video. I hope I have whet your appetite and I hope you're gonna try it at home. So do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section of what you might want me to do next.
And also subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you in my next video. You guys, you can go so that I'll finish eating. Go. That's what happened. You are still watching. Go away.